Imagine pulling a brand new e-bike rack out of its box, and instead of a pile of parts, it's ready to go. This isn't just a dream. The Iron Deer Ebike rack with ramp promises exactly that, a fully assembled, heavy-duty solution for your precious e-bikes, right out of the box. It's genuinely impressive how this rack, designed to carry two hefty e-bikes, can fold down compactly for garage storage. And get this, it even has integrated wheels and handles, letting you maneuver it around like a cart when it's off your vehicle. No more awkward lifting and dragging. But let's talk about its core purpose, hauling e-bikes. With a robust 200-pound capacity, that's 100 pounds per bike, it handles even the heaviest electric models with ease. The retractable ramp is a game-changer here. No more struggling to lift those heavy machines onto the rack. Just roll them up, and you're good to go. It accommodates everything from 16-inch to 29-inch wheels, wheelbases up to 48 inches, and even those massive 5-inch fat tires. Once your bikes are loaded, stability is paramount. The Iron Deer rack features a patented wobble-free system with a self-locking hitch pin and an extra lock, ensuring a rock-solid connection to your 2-inch receiver. You can feel the confidence on the road. Plus, the generous 11.5-inch spacing between bikes is a huge relief, preventing any dreaded e-bike-to-e-bike contact. And for those moments you need trunk access, the smart foot pedal tilt mechanism is incredibly convenient, even with bikes mounted. Security is also top-notch. It comes with 2 lockable, rubber-padded ratchet straps to secure your e-bikes against theft, and 4 sturdy, extra-long tire straps for ultimate fastening. They've even thought about protecting your carbon wheels with 4 hub covers and added reflective strips for enhanced visibility, which is a thoughtful touch for safety. Installation itself is a breeze. Since it arrives fully pre-assembled, you just slide it into your 2-inch hitch receiver, secure the hitch pin, and you're ready. No tools, no fuss. It's designed for passenger cars, SUVs, and light trucks, though they do remind you it's not for RVs or trailers, which is fair given the specific demands of those vehicles. Iron Deer stands by their product with a 1-year warranty, and their tips for use, like placing the heavier e-bike inside and adjusting straps, show they've really considered the user experience. It's clear this isn't just a rack, it's a well-engineered system. Overall, if you're an e-bike enthusiast looking for an incredibly convenient, secure, and durable way to transport your bikes without the usual hassle of assembly or heavy lifting, the Iron Deer Ebike rack with ramp is an outstanding choice. It truly delivers on its promise of effortless e-bike transport.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.